Have you ever wondered if the direction your bed faces could impact the quality of your sleep? Or if there's an ideal sleeping direction according to Vastu principles? Well, you're in the right place. Because in this video, we are going to discuss different sleeping positions and tell you the best directions to sleep. Is it good to sleep in the south direction? Well, according to Vastu, the best sleeping direction is facing south. Since this direction is the house of the deity Yamraj, it is linked to wealth, happiness, and positivity. Plus, it matches the Earth's magnetic field, bringing in good vibes and blocking out bad ones. If you live in the northern hemisphere, to get quality sleep, you must sleep in the south direction. Give it a try and feel the difference. Is north considered a good direction to sleep in? Not quite. Vastu says that sleeping in the north direction is not good for health. It can strain your heart and brain because of how it affects your blood flow. It might also cause long-term sleep problems, even neurological issues. In Hindu tradition, the dead are placed this way before cremation, as it's believed to be where the soul leaves the body. So, it's best to avoid sleeping this way according to Vastu, just to be safe. Should we sleep facing the east? According to Vastu, sleeping while facing east is great because it's where the sun rises, is hence full of energy. It gives you good sleep and makes you feel fresh in the morning. It also helps students concentrate better and remember things for school. So, it's perfect for students, teachers, and researchers. It's a good habit to teach kids to sleep this way from a young age to help them do better in life. Is west an ideal direction to sleep in? Sleeping facing the west is okay, not as good as the east or the south, but it still has its benefits. If you want success at work or in business, this direction is good for you. It can attract great opportunities and clear away negative vibes. So, for some people, sleeping while facing the west can be a good choice. In conclusion, the direction you sleep in can indeed impact the quality of your rest and overall well-being, as per Vastu principles. From our discussion, it's clear that sleeping with your head facing the south aligns with positive energies and can significantly improve your sleep quality, while facing the north may have adverse effects on your health. East-facing sleepers often wake up feeling refreshed and energized, making it an excellent choice for students and professionals alike. Although west-facing sleepers may not experience the same level of benefits, it can still be beneficial for those seeking success in their endeavors. Ultimately, understanding these sleeping directions and their implications can help you create a more harmonious sleeping environment and lead to a more fulfilling life. So, whether you're looking to enhance your sleep quality or achieve greater success, consider the direction you sleep in and its alignment with Vastu principles. Like, comment and share this video, and subscribe to our official Academy of Vedic Vidya YouTube channel, where we bring you new and insightful videos every week. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all our releases. Until next time.